Hi, I'm Dave Clements. For nearly 2 decades, I've been the photographer for a very special venue just north of Houston, Texas. It's called the Dosey Big Barn. We're sitting in it right now. This place is not just a music venue, it's a sanctuary for artists, a gathering place for music lovers, and a heartbeat in the soul of Texas. Today I'm here with my friend Kyle Hutton to ask for your help in keeping the heartbeat alive.
Hey friends, I'm Kyle Hutton, singer-songwriter and host of Real Life Real Music. I walked into this big barn shortly after it opened, and I've been blessed to perform on this stage, record my radio show here, and build a really special friendship with the founder, Steve Said. Steve didn't just build this venue, he built a legacy, a place where music could thrive and where stories could be told and where people could connect.
Over the past 19 years, Dosey has hosted thousands of concerts, from Grammy winners to legends, from country to blues to rock and soul. Steve made sure that live music had a home. He believed deeply that music mattered, that it could heal, inspire, and bring people together. And he gave everything he had for a very long time to make that happen.
But you know, the music business is tough. I mean, even in the best times, it's hard to keep a live music venue going. And when COVID hit, it nearly crushed the industry. But Steve kept pushing, booking artists, absorbing rising costs, and even tried to launch one of the largest music festivals in Texas. He never stopped believing in the power of live music.
Then came Monday, July 8th, 2024. Hurricane Beryl ripped through Houston. That morning, Steve had just returned home from a meeting, waiting out the storm. As he stepped out of his car, a massive tree struck him from behind. He never saw it coming. He was left crawling to his porch, where his wife, Joan, found him barely alive.
Steve's injuries were catastrophic. A skull fracture, he had a brain bleed, a fractured neck, a broken spine, broken clavicle, broken collarbone, broke all the ribs on his right side, punctured lung. He was fighting for his life. This man, this friend that had given so much to me and to so many, was now just trying to survive. He spent the next 3 months in ICU on a ventilator, and we just hoped he'd make it through.
Many more months later, through sheer grit, grace, and the love of his family, Steve began to recover. But the toll, physically, emotionally, financially, was immense. He tried to keep the business going even as he rebuilt his body and spirit. But the trajectory of his life, his family's life, and Dosey had been altered.
On September 28th, 2025, our friend Steve took his own life. His passing has left a hole in our hearts and in the heart of Texas music. This barn wasn't just his dream, it was a gift to all of us, a place where young artists found their voice and seasoned performers got their second wind, and where audiences found joy, connection, and a lot of meaning.
For me, Steve and his beautiful wife were dear friends. This old barn was my second home. I've been blessed to capture special moments that mattered: smiles, tears, standing ovations, energetic encores, and great performances. It was also where Steve supported Raising a Hand for Rhett, helping Kevin Black and me to raise awareness and funds for severely disabled children. He and his terrific Dosey team gave their efforts generously, quietly, and always with heart.
And now we're raising funds to help keep Dosey Big Barn alive, to honor Steve's legacy, to provide some financial support while looking for the right people, partners, possibly new owners that will ensure that live music continues to echo throughout this barn from this stage. If you've ever been moved by a song, discovered an artist, or felt the magic of a live performance, we want to ask you to please consider donating.
Every dollar helps. Every share you make helps spread the word to others that might pitch in. Live music matters, community matters, and Dosey matters. Let's keep the music playing. Let's keep live music alive. Let's keep Steve's dream alive right here for many decades to come.
Thank you for listening. Thank you for caring. And thank you for helping us keep the Dosey Do Big Barn, this, this iconic venue known from coast to coast, open for future generations. Thank you.